The Vangoa 3/4 acoustic electric guitar balances a compact 36-inch body with a full dreadnought-style voice, making it comfortable for younger players and travelers without feeling like a toy. Its cutaway design and responsive pickup with onboard equalization let you move easily into higher frets and switch seamlessly between unplugged practice and amplified playing. The combination of basswood body, a smooth mahogany maple neck, and a rosewood fingerboard gives it a pleasantly warm, rounded tone that works well for strumming and light fingerstyle. Precise higher ratio tuning machines and sealed nickel-plated pegs help the guitar hold tuning reliably, which is especially reassuring for beginners who are still developing their ear. The starter bundle is thoughtfully equipped with a padded gig bag, strap, tuner, capo, spare strings, picks, and an audio cable, so a new player can start right away without hunting for extra accessories. Overall, the lightweight feel, forgiving neck profile, and plug-in capability make this a practical first acoustic electric for students, casual adult learners, or anyone needing a portable practice instrument.